Hi kids! Welcome to Vital Learning Kare. Today, let's learn numbers from 1 to 20 with their names. Let's start. This is the number 1. O-N-E, 1. Say it with me, O-N-E, 1. Here is the number 2. T-W-O, 2. Let's say it together, T-W-O, 2. Look at this, it's number 3. T-H-R-E-E, 3. Say it with me, T-H-R-E-E, 3. This is the number 4. F-O-U-R, 4. Let's say it together, F-O-U-R, 4. Now we have the number 5. F-I-V-E, 5. Say it with me, F-I-V-E, 5. This is the number 6. S-I-X, 6. Let's say it together, S-I-X, 6. Here's the number 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. Say it with me, S-E-V-E-N, 7. Look, it's the number 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. Say it together, E-I-G-H-T, 8. This is the number 9. N-I-N-E, 9. Let's say it together, N-I-N-E, 9. And now we have number 10. T-E-N, 10. Say it with me, T-E-N, 10. Here's the number 11. E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. Say it together, E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. This is the number 12. T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. Let's say it together, T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. Look, it's the number 13. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N, 13. Say it with me, T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N, 13. Now we see number 14. F-O-U-R-T-E-N, 14. Say it together, F-O-U-R-T-E-N, 14. Here's the number 15. F-I-F-T-E-E-N, 15. Let's say it together, F-I-F-T-E-E-N, 15. This is the number 16. S-I-X-T-E-E-N, 16. Say it with me, S-I-X-T-E-E-N, 16. Here's the number 17. S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N, 17. Say it together, S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N, 17. Now we have number 18. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N, 18. Let's say it together, E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N, 18. This is the number 19. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N, 19. Say it with me, N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N, 19. And finally, the number 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. Let's say it together, T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. Awesome job, kids! Keep practicing your numbers and see you in the next video. Bye.